Hey everyone, so today I have an unboxing to share with you. Recently I got a promotion at work and I decided to go ahead and pick up a couple of items that I've been wanting for some time, but I've never actually gone ahead and purchased them. Not because of anything specific, it's just because each time I want to think about purchasing them, I choose something else to purchase. I've just never actually done it for no clear reason. So if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Odette and I do weekly fashion and lifestyle videos for the working girl. And over here on my channel, we talk everything from affordable fashion, lifestyle, all the way to luxury. And today we are discussing luxury items. I'm gonna start by showing you the item from Gucci. I have already gone ahead and filmed the unboxing separately, so it didn't come like this. It came nicely wrapped. I don't know if this item is hard to get, but I do know that I've gone to the Gucci website several times and I have not found it. However, I walked into a Gucci store, so this is the one in Sloane Street here in London, and I managed to get one, and I got it in a medium. So it's this fishnet, do they call it a fishnet? It's this fishnet tights. That's what it looks like, and it's the one that has the GG logo on it. It's really the popular one. And I've watched a couple of reviews about these tights prior to the purchase, and the one thing that people have said is that don't really purchase your size, go a size down, because it does have a bit of a stretch. And I understand what they mean. So initially when I went into the store, I wanted to pick a large, which would have probably been my size because I'm in between a large and extra large now. I believe they didn't have that in store, but the guy said to me that, you know, it's going, a medium is going to fit you just okay because of the stretch. So just to show you what I mean, this is, can you see this? See how this stretches? Like, I don't know if this is normal, but it just seems too abnormal for me. And it's quite sturdy as well, so probably shouldn't stretch it out. It's quite sturdy as well, so I am quite excited to try it on. For reference, I haven't tried it on yet, but I will put a cutaway where I am trying it on. For reference, I am 5'8", and in a shop like Zara, I would typically wear a large or extra large. So a large on the top, extra large on the bottom for sure. If it's a dress, depending on how it fits, it could be large or extra large. So that's a UK size 14, occasionally 16. I know. And I know I put up some relationship weight since last year and I haven't taken it off. So I'm in the process of finally trying to figure out how I can take it off. Anyway, that's the first one I want to show you. So yeah, if you're struggling to get this size, because like I said, they're almost impossible to find online, try going into the actual Gucci store and find out whether they have it in stock, because a lot of times they do. I walked into Sloane Square I walked into the Gucci store on Sloane Street and I just asked them and they happen to have this one there for me. So definitely do that if you're struggling to find these tights, because I do know they're very popular. They're arguably their most popular tights. So yeah, the next item I have to show with you is from the brand Fendi, and I bought this one, I believe, online. I didn't actually buy it in store. Can you guess what it is? It's another pair of tights. This was their biggest size. It's like number 3, and I'm guessing this would be their large. This one, I think, just by touching it and feeling it, it is a lot more delicate than the Gucci ones. I actually purchased the Fendi ones first, and it's not your standard Fendi logo, so the big F ones. This one is actually the smaller F. I think this one is called the Fendi Graphite. I do have a strange feeling that I would have to be extra careful when dealing with this. Obviously I have regular tights by different brands such as Topshop. When I touch this, I don't see a massive difference between that, if I'm being honest with you. I definitely felt it with the Gucci tights, but not with this. This, I think if my nail got caught in it, it would rip. I think if I wasn't too careful, it would rip. This pair of tights, I can't wear it all the time. I would probably have to pull it out, special occasion, and I can't wear it when I'm hurrying to go somewhere because I have a feeling that it would rip. But I wanted a Fendi tights. I do love the Fendi Graphite. I love the logo. I consider getting the ones with the big F logo on it because I actually love those ones as well. But I feel like that one is a lot more popular than this one, and I wanted to go for something that was a bit more discreet, because the other Fendi ones is very popular. When you see it, you know it's Fendi. With this one, I don't think it's as obvious, and you're welcome to correct me if you think I'm telling lies, but I really don't think that it's that obvious. A pair of shoes from Amina Muaddi. I love, love, love her shoes. I wish I could wear them to work more often. This is its dust bag, which I never really use because I just put it in the box directly. Things are getting caught up. It's this pair. How beautiful is this? How gorgeous is this? This is just extremely beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy that I picked this one. So Amina Muaddi has two sort of crystal designs that she does. She has the one that kind of looks like a star. That one, I'm not a huge fan of it. When I wear it on my feet, I just feel like there's something massive in the middle shining in the middle of my feet, which is just weird. But I do love the bow. I think it's a lot more elegant and very pretty. And I picked it up, by the way, in a size 42. This is just sort of such a pretty shoe. It was always a tussle for me between this one and I'll put up the other one here because I saw both of them at the same time. But I was like, you know what, nothing beats a classic black shoe like this. If you have this in your closet, you would always wear it for every and anything basically. So I said that one, you may have to choose the dress, but with this one, this is just amazing. Plus I do have almost like a masquerade night work dig coming up. I thought this would be nice to wear to the masquerade ball. If you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and give us a like and also consider subscribing because this is the kind of content that I share here on my channel. So consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you know every single time that I upload. So the final item I want to show you is obviously from Louis Vuitton and it's this. If you can guess what it is before I actually open it, then please do so in the comment section. With this particular item, I have wanted it for a very long time, but I was waiting for the most unique version of this to come out before I actually go ahead and purchase it, because I've been looking at a couple of other ones, but I just felt like almost everyone had it. It was a little bit too common and I wanted something slightly different. So I'll go ahead and show you what that is. As I mentioned, something from the Garden collection. So it comes in this type of box, which I think is cute. Sidebar, out of all the luxury brands, I do love Louis Vuitton's packaging the best. Compared to every other one, their boxes and everything, I absolutely love it. I think a lot of effort has gone into creating almost that kind of casing or something for your item. So it is this beautiful card holder from the Garden collection. You can see on the LV and the different stars or the starry thing that they have there, you can see the Garden collection print on there. So the interior of the card holder is pink, the outside is silver, and obviously it has the print, the Garden style print monogram on it. So I've wanted a card holder, well, since I purchased my first designer bag. I remember even at the time that I purchased it, my wallet was quite big. And then I decided to downsize to a smaller one just because I wanted to be able to carry my mini bags on a daily basis without having to worry whether I have everything with me. And so I downsized to this one from Sans Rêve. But I felt like, you know what, even with this, there's some bags where this would still be bulky. So this is my mini top handle from Chanel. This gray one can fit inside very comfortably. So I move around typically with my phone portable charger, my phone, sometimes a makeup sponge, lipstick, and sometimes my perfume. So I move around with quite a bit of things. Those are my essentials, and this does take up quite a bit of space. Obviously I do need my wallet, it's very important to me, but I always wonder what I can just make do with a card holder, and a lot of times that is the case because obviously ever since COVID, people don't easily use cash as much as they used to do. Especially me, I don't typically use cash. If I'm using cash, it's because wherever I'm going to requires me to use cash. Let me go ahead and put a couple of cards inside and see how I do. You can put one card in there comfortably. It's my driver's license there, another bank card there. There you go. So 3 cards have fitted inside. I could probably stretch it and put another one. There is room for something more here. So if I really wanted to put even cash, maybe like 20 pounds or 10 pounds, I could probably squeeze it inside. But yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that. So I have lipstick and stuff inside there. But if this was to fit, it fits nicely inside there, and there's still plenty of space for other things to go in. Let me check to see if it fits in the back pocket here. Not that I would ever use it, I typically don't use it, but yes, it could probably stick out like this if I really wanted to put it in, but I don't think I would. But you know, the option is there if I really wanted to put this in. I'm gonna test it out with my smallest bag, which is a micro bag. So this is the original micro bag, and it was a collaboration from I think 2017 or 16 between Moschino and H&M many years ago. I consider her the original micro bags because yeah, everyone now does micro bags, but I think Moschino and H&M did it first. So I just want to see whether this fits inside my smallest bag. And the answer is No, it doesn't. But just to let you know that a card can fit inside, so if I take out one of my cards, yeah, that fits in perfectly. But I wanted this particularly for those times where if I'm going to a party and all I have is a very small clutch, and if I'm going to wear this every now and again, then I wanted something really special. Let me know which was your favorite item that I shared with you. If there are any items that you specifically like or already own and you have a feedback about them, definitely let me know in the comment section. And if you're not done watching this video, I'm gonna put 2 more videos that I think you're gonna like, so definitely check them out. Thank you for watching to this point, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.